Hello, guess what? What are we preparing today? You're not good at guesses, just like me. Welcome to our today's segment of our kitchen life, our guagua, our cuisines and preparation of our delicacies. This is Necaloric. Please stay tuned as we unveil our skills, our guagua skills. All right, guys, let's quickly go to the ingredients. You know that the first thing I do before I start out with the mixing is to show you my ingredients. So today we are preparing for one. So this is our oil bean. Let me raise it up so that you can see. This is our oil bean. What we call ugba in our language. I don't know what you call it in your own language. This is the main mixture. Without these, I don't think your guagua is going to be complete. This is what turns the oil into a creamy stock. So this is my crayfish, salt, pepper, and this is oil. The oil is little, as you can see that the oil bean is a little, and then I have my onions here for garnishing. Yeah, garnishing. I'm going to garnish today's one with onions. So stay tuned, relax, and let's do it. Okay, so first of all, we're going to add a little of this. We are not going to add so much of this. We're going to add a little. Okay, it's okay. So what's the next thing? You should know by now. We start stirring. Start stirring. Continue to stir. See, I think we have achieved that yellowish top. Have you seen it? See how it looks like. You know, what we are doing is small, but you have to use something that will enable you to stir it this way. The person I'm doing it for doesn't really want the protein. So the person prefers the oil bean, the ugba. So this is the stock I got from the fish. So you stir it in, like I told you, at every step. You stir in. The stock is ready. So next thing, I'm going to add crayfish. You can't get it wrong this way if you follow this pattern. I'm adding crayfish. So what's the next thing? You add your pepper. I think I have a spoon here. So we're going to add pepper. I hope you are still watching. And if you are still there at this point, I want you to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe, like, and share. And please, if you are within my area, you want something like this, I think you can quickly call me. I will be available. I've added that. Let me introduce the oil bean. To stir. Okay. Then what next? See this ingredient I forgot to tell you at the beginning. Most of the people I'm preparing it these days want it not to be that thick. They want it kind of watery. Not watery per se. It won't be dry. Our ugba is ready. The ugba is ready. Before I test, I think I'm going to give you. Have a look. I've dished it with the ring onions, guys. See you in my next video.